Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am doing a mug today and I'm just gonna walk myself and us through the process of what I do. Alright, so what I do is I usually get me a mug. Alright, and this is just a Dollar Tree mug. And I use my stickers on the mugs as well as vinyl, or sometimes I get mugs that are already pre-printed. That's completely up to you, and it's totally fine if that's what you want to do. There's nothing wrong with that. Alright. I use a little piece of styrofoam for the bottom of my mug sometimes. Now this is a soft piece, so it's real easy to cut down. Just like so. And I'm going to cut it down on both those sides. Alright, and I just stick that down in there. And it's nice and snug in there. It's not moving, it's not going anywhere. Alright, I'm also going to put a little bit of fill in this cup to get down in there in those little crevices and stuff. And of course we want our item to stand up as high as we can, so don't be afraid to use that frill. Alright, now Dollar Tree has these candy bouquets. So I take the bouquet and I take some, I'm going to let y'all come down a little bit so you can see. I take the double-sided tape. And I just put it here so that I can get that to lay down really good. Alright, and we just peel that apart. Alright, and I just want this piece here to lay down. Just like so. Alright, so that's what our bouquet looks like. Now, because I have that styrofoam in there, I just go right down in the middle. Okay. You know, now you can decide what other embellishments you want to put in there. I do like to put a stuffed animal in there. Alright, so we got our little red bear. And I like to tuck his feet down and give him just a little push down there. So that's what we're looking like. Alright, now, this one I'm going to stick some extra candy down in there. And I'm also going to put a body butter there. And you're just going to keep maneuvering him till you get it in there the way that you want it. The other thing you can do is put your body butter in there. Alright, put your body butter down in there. Set your bear on the top. Stick your candy in there. You can use smaller candy if you want to. Alright, and then I'm going to come in with some more frill to fill it up around the back there. All right, now for some added measure, you can put a little piece of tape on the bottom of that candy and kind of tape it down there if you want to. But we have our mug with our candy, our body butter, and our bear. And that is a very cute, very inexpensive Valentine's Day gift, y'all. You can attach your bear to a dowl and stick him also in the foam if you want to. That is just another way to make sure he stays in it where he's supposed to be. All right, so I've got the candy adhered there. I've got the body butter there. Our bear is on there. That's our dowel rod there that's holding him in. He's got the candy. We've got the emery board, body butter, a candy bouquet, and he's looking really good. So I'm liking this with the body butter there. And this is how I dress up all of my cups, my mugs. All right, I have the watermelon mint body butter in there. I also have some coconut milk lavender, and these smell really good. All right, got them from the Dollar Tree. Everything in this mug, everything here is a Dollar Tree item. And these come in like a pack of 10 or so. I've had vinyl for years, so that's not really costing me a lot to put some vinyl stickers on this mug, just to dress the mug up a little bit with some hearts. Same thing we do for our bags and stuff when we dress those up. All right. So I will wrap this in the cellophane and use a decorative mesh to close the top of it. Alright, so I will post the finished product at the end of this video. You all be blessed. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.